If you want to know whether your PC can run a game on Steam, the easiest way is to check the game system requirements directly on the Steam store page. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step, so you can quickly see the minimum and recommended specs before you buy or download anything. This is super helpful if you want to avoid lag, crashes, or wasting money on a game your computer can't handle. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming guides. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can do that by typing store.steampowered.com into the address bar. Once the Steam homepage loads, use the search bar in the top right corner to search for the game you want to check. Type in the name of the game and select it from the results. Next, open the game's store page. This is where Steam shows all the important details about the game, including screenshots, trailers, reviews, and system requirements. Once you're on the game page, scroll down near the bottom. Steam usually places the system requirements section lower on the page, so you may need to go past the description, reviews, and other store information. When you reach the section named System Requirements, stop there and look carefully. This is the part that matters most if you want to know whether your computer can run the game properly. Steam usually gives you two categories here: minimum requirements and recommended requirements. The minimum requirements tell you the lowest hardware and software specs needed to launch and play the game. If your PC meets only the minimum specs, the game may run, but it might not be smooth or visually perfect. The recommended requirements are what the developer suggests for a better experience, usually with smoother gameplay and better performance. Under these requirements, Steam will show details like the processor, RAM, graphics card, storage space, and operating system. For example, you might see how much memory the game needs, what kind of CPU is required, what GPU is supported, and how much free space you need on your drive. You'll also often see whether the game needs Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. If you want to compare this with your own PC, just match the listed specs to your computer's specs. On Windows, you can check your system information by opening Settings, going to System, and then About. That will show you your processor and RAM, and you can also check your graphics card from Device Manager or your display settings. For storage, make sure you have enough free space available before installing the game. One quick tip is to always check both the minimum and recommended sections. Minimum tells you if the game will run at all, while recommended gives you a better idea of how well it will run. If your PC is below minimum, you may need to upgrade hardware or choose a different game. If your PC matches or exceeds recommended, you're in a much better position for stable performance. And that's it. Now, you know how to check Steam game system requirements in just a few simple steps. Open Steam, search for the game, go to the store page, scroll down, and review the system requirements section for the minimum and recommended specs. It only takes a minute, and it can save you a lot of frustration later. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials, PC tips, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.